Somebody you linked with early too was Tony Matterhorn.
Mm-hmm.
How did that link now come around with Matterhorn? Because I was telling Jazzy, I know at one point Kareem was basically Matterhorn's shatter. When it came to his remix and even come playing for him on the road, Kareem would do. But how did he get into the Renaissance link where you guys were linked?
All right, so Matterhorn, I got vexed with me now. When Tony Matterhorn was leaving King Addies, he started partnering with Renaissance. Right? I remember we used to do events at Mirage, and me, Matterhorn outside, them don't even know who Matterhorn is. I have to go outside and carry Matterhorn into Mirage. Because Mirage did have a little thing about them, a little stigma where them not letting anybody on. I'm like, yo, it's my guest. You have to let them in. Because I was the one who was carrying dancehall into Mirage. You get me? In the uptown circuit. So all some big artists come, them now I let them in. Who them?
Yeah.
Them have I said, no, me I go for them. Me and them kick off enough. Me and Mirage kick off enough time because, yo, you can't be embarrassing my guests.
Yeah.
So that's how Matterhorn came about. It was in the same pantheon. Everybody was built from right there, so. You understand? And we start dragging him on some dates because Matterhorn never bust it. He did bust because of King Addies. But no, as a solo now, it still wasn't strong yet.
I remember he was probably at this time here one of the first guys to leave a song to say, okay, I'm gonna go solo.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Him, as I said, it's the right time him do it. Link up with us. You used to want to rest in peace, Dirty Cup Chicken. DJ Chicken was our core youth in the sound. And then him and Matterhorn get close. So anyway, Matterhorn, they either Chicken a drive or him a got some dance, Chicken in the car with him. You understand? And it was right there. But then now Matterhorn needed somebody to do his own. He had a whole heap of ideas. And Kareem now, as a youngster, now him grab Kareem as him youngster. And DJ and make, cause they say, yo, yeah, lalo, Renaissance. Remember say, yeah, Tony Matt. Remember say that? Kareem, you know.
Yeah,
Kareem take over right the same, brother. So, that's how that whole journey again, a different side of remix come in. So that's how we are Matterhorn. So every time you see that say, Stone of Renaissance, Tony Matterhorn. Right? And there was a dance where Dave Kelly did drop. I don't remember if it's Showtime or Broke Out.
If it's
or Haunted.
It might be Broke Out where he put the Tony Matterhorn.
That's right.
It was the Broke Out.
So,
Tony Matterhorn.
Right. Or before that, what did happen is that Dave Kelly gave it to him alone. And Captain Colonize and Fame sample of music. And I say, yo, Dave, I deal with this. So I record it off the radio, edit it, and bring the drum machine. Drummer them time I learn how to use the drum machine and bring go the dance. I'm set up bomb ready for Press J, Jazzy them and Dr. Dre protest for me. Bridget, if you play this, but don't do Renaissance. Cause yo, you're gonna mash up the friendship and my Matterhorn I go play it. Come and say, yo, you're gonna make Matterhorn shine over with star. Yo. The man them, Jazzy them, give it to me and I'm sad, cool. That time, all them up with this press play, you know.
And you had it ready to go.
Ready, you know, edit it, you know. See it? Dave Kelly, I don't even know if Dave Kelly know about this, but yeah, man, I can ask Jazzy them, Jazzy say, yo, nah, play, Delano, please don't do it. I'm saying, all right, and Tony Matterhorn drop it. I think it was a Great Adventure or whatever it was.
Because it was Ross Great Adventure, fully loaded.
And that time that we and Tony Matterhorn start team up now against Stone Love.
Yes.
So yeah, man, Matterhorn drop it and that bust Matterhorn bigger. Kind of put the Tony Matterhorn, whatever it is, and it was only this song, these tunes was only playing on Fame FM. So people used to hear it. But you Captain not playing on those events, them people not hear it. So when they hear it on the radio now, whoever was playing that on the radio, I think somebody, maybe DJ Win had it, or somebody else had it.
But that was Radio Land.
That was Radio Land. So now in the party now, when them hearing it, the place turn up fire. And sometime right now, I go some party, I don't see them kind of vibe there, brother. But I don't see them. I see the vibe what was there and the touch and the that sound. And when everybody make noise, when you stop the music and hear the forward.
Those were some different times.
Different time.
Yeah. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusica.com.